Today on Hidden Camera, we're on the hunt for the very, very, very quick, very, very, very rare mini pink miniature hummingbird. Flyatus realquickitus, commonly known as the giant, pink-headed, blue-breasted, green-tailed miniature hummingbird, or mini pink. Very, very, very quick, very, very, very rare. Many thanks go out to Irene Spate and Blossom for the loan of the mountaintop lily of the valley, Mini Pink's favorite. Keep your fingers crossed. Wow, wasn't that incredible? A mini pink, and in top voice too. Well folks, there you have it, another first for Hidden Camera.